How's it going, Phone Lab? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about MTK chipsets and an easy way to identify the chipset of the device you're working on. Okay, it's just super simple. You can get this application from the Google Play Store, or you can download it directly. I've got it linked below this video for the APK file. I would recommend saving it, on a USB OTG flash drive, so you can plug it in the phone and get it right on there. So here's what I've got right here: Droid info. Okay. So if you open up the application, it's really awesome. It's very easy to use, and it gives you a ton of good information about the device. Right here you can see the model, the manufacturer, and then the other really important thing to note on anything you're working on is the build number you're on. Okay, so you've got that right here, really quick information, but really the thing I want to point out the most that you're going to utilize here is under the System tab, and that's going to be the chipset. So you need to know your chipset so that you can do firmware backup, so you can flash things with SP Flash tool, and it's very, very important to know it. And this is an excellent application to get that information. So you just install the app, open it up, find out the chipset of your device. Mine right here is the MT6737T. So pretty cool. And then you can look at other stuff if you're interested about it in here as well. But the things to point out are specifically the chipset and the device information here on the first front page. There's more tabs as you go through. You can even actually, which is kind of cool, go down here to reports, and you can get it in text or PDF and export all the information for this specific device. So pretty sweet. But there you go, guys. That is how to use this application. Super simple, easy to do, and a great resource to identify the chipset of your MediaTek device. Catch you guys in the next one. Root Junkie out.